Hi, I'm Kate, and I've learned that there are two kinds of people in the world. There are people who think that everyone is guilty. They're kind of prosecutorial. I learned this serving on jury duty in Boston several years ago. And that as soon as I was seated, this lady next to me said, "They're all guilty." And I thought, how can you think that? Clearly, they're all innocent, right? Um, so obviously I'm the other kind of person. There's another kind of person um, who doesn't think anyone is guilty. And I'm going to tell you now a couple people who I really believe were, not guilty of the crime they were accused of. And I have a problem. First, I have to explain to you, I'm not being sarcastic because the biggest problem I have in expressing this beliefs I have to other people is they always think I'm joking. I'm not joking. Okay, first person who I believe did not do it. I'm not going to use the word innocent because that's a very high standard. I mean, who among us hasn't sinned? Free of personal sin like a newborn baby, innocent? Okay, that's very few people. But I'm going to say didn't do it, didn't commit the crime accused of. Okay? A person who I'm going to say he wasn't there. A person who I think wasn't there, I think O.J. Simpson wasn't there. Okay? Again, I'm not being sarcastic. I don't understand how other people think he was guilty. I don't understand. And I think there's been a lot more attention on that case lately, and maybe people are starting to come around to my way of seeing it. I don't know. I've always been a huge believer in his, okay, I can't say not innocent, say not guilt, or I'm saying with him, say he wasn't there. Oh, he wasn't there. He didn't do it, okay? Another person who I really believe did not do it in the way that he has been accused, Lee Harvey Oswald. Okay, yeah, he was there. Sure, yeah, he was there. But I don't think that he masterminded this thing and fired the shot. I really don't think so. I think other people think that. He had a trial. Sort of, posthumously, there was the American Bar Association did a mock trial. And that would be so amazing to have been on that jury, right? So, I don't know, but I know what you're thinking is, oh, Kate, I really want you to be on my jury someday. You do.